What is up, guys? Gooey here, coming at you guys a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your Discord from looking complete garbage to looking like a pro Discord. I'm going to be teaching you guys all the basics in here, even some advanced stuff. So in here, I'm going to be teaching you guys, role management, how to manage roles to make it more cleaner for you and for people joining your Discord, because if you have messy roles on your, on your list, it's going to look really stupid for someone joining. They'll be like, ew, what's this disgusting mess? Pretty basic things right there. Also, I'll be teaching you guys, how to, manage those permissions too, because I know if you have a lot of roles, it's hard to manage those permissions. Big word. With those, roles, it takes a bit. I usually need help with that, and I had a Discord for like 2 years now. It still takes me a while. Also, I will be teaching you guys how to add emojis to, those chats make it pop. Also, I'll be teaching you guys another big one, to get away from those bots. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to add reaction roles, because that does really help against bot prevention and a little bit of spam. But you're gonna need a little bit of mods for that spam and those people passing those Discord TOS in your server. You already know. Also, I'll be teaching you guys even more things, and if you guys do want to support me, make sure to subscribe to me on YouTube, right here, down right there. Make sure smash that like button, subscribe, post notifications on. Let's get right into me teaching you guys how to do the basic things in the basic Discord. Okay, boys, now that we're here, I'm gonna be teaching you guys all about my Discord. I'll be linked down in the description below. For one, the first thing I want to say here, this is a good tip. The name of the Discord. See, the name of my Discord is Gooey Gang. That kind of rhymes, but that kind of rubs off the tongue pretty easily. See, if your name of your Discord is pretty hard to say, people are gonna easily forget it. But if it's an easy name, it's an easy game. Bars. That means, you might get more people remembering your Discord. I'm like, hey, I remember in that Discord, bro. Pretty fun. Let me get back into that. But if it's a hard name, people be like, what was that Discord I was in? Whatever. Forget that Discord. So that's a good tip. Make a nice name. Tip 1. Tips. Easy. Number 2. See, you see at the left side here. You see all these channels. They're all basic things you're gonna need in a Discord. You got the welcome tab with the reaction role to join and the rules. You got the bot role for my bot prefixes. I gotta add more bots soon. The announcements when I post a video, tweet on Twitter, stream announcers, all the basic things. You got challenges, movie chat, and all the things you're gonna need. So I have it all simplified down. Simplified, I don't know if that's a word. It's all down into little things that you're not gonna you're not gonna need 2 of. So you got chat clips, easy things. Let's get into the roles. So with me, I have a lot of roles. I do my custom roles. I do color roles as a challenge role. So my Discord, we do challenges. Every month we do a challenge, see how many messages everyone can send. For October, we're actually doing 30,000 messages by the end of the month. If you guys want to come help out, link in the description below. Join the Discord. We're usually really active. Make sure to join that. All my roles are all good here. So you got my mods, all that, my homie. It's all basic things. Let me get rid of this role real quick. I don't use it. All my special roles are at the bottom just because they don't pop up with the color. They're just, there for, when someone clicks on your name, you see all the roles they have. It's all for that. This is for, let me up this one real quick. This is for, if someone hits, I think it's like 10,000 messages in a challenge, or I think it's 5,000, they get the King Chatter role. No one has got it yet because we haven't put it out yet, but it's pretty pog. Make sure to join the Discord again. So like make sure all your roles are in order. Make sure they're all, they're not a mess, because if they're a mess, it's gonna be harder for you to work on them. It's gonna look like garbage, and it's just garbage trying to work on a mess. It's like, ew. Also, that's another thing. Let's go to the permissions. The permission, not this one. Permissions for socialize. So if you're using, what's it called? Let me think. If you're using reaction roles, main thing you're gonna do, if you're doing it, make sure you edit via category for 1. Number 2, make sure you always do add everyone. The reason I'm saying this is because instead of adding like 2 bots, because I used to use me6 for so when someone joins Discord, they get a role. Instead of that, I just make it where they have no role when they join in, and when they click the reaction role, they get the slime role. So when someone joins Discord, they can't see any categories but the welcome or the information role, or the information category, my bad. They can't send any messages. They can't read message history, which, unless it says, but that's only in notifications, or the notification tab. But then as soon as they react to it, they get to see every channel. They get to see everything. They get to see everything but the sub and mod roles, because you gotta be a sub or you gotta be a mod in the Discord to get those. And then when you click the thing, you get to see every category. You get to see message history in those. It's really nice. It's really also really easy to get this all set up. It takes like 5 seconds. I might make a new video on that, maybe, how to work with your permissions. I'm joking, but yeah, it's pretty easy to do all this stuff. And let's see what else. Also, yeah, the bots I use in my Discord to get past those bot prevention. I use CarlBot for reaction roll. So the reason I use reaction roll instead of just when someone joins they get a roll is because it helps with bots. It helps with those people that just spam the Discord. Mostly because they're gonna have to get through one step, and then when they join, most likely my mods are gonna check them and be like, oh shoot, okay, this dude just made his account like 3 seconds ago and has a NSFW picture. It's pretty weird. So then they'll be like, okay, dude starts spamming word stuff, banned, easy. You have to go through more steps to do that. And in my chat log, I use Me6. One of my mods bought Prime for Me6, and it shows the time the account was made, the profile picture of the account. It's pretty easy. You could use, if you want to, you could use, I think it's Galactabot. I think he's also a chat log, but you can use any chat logs bot to do that. But it really helps. You have to get through one more step, even though it's a quick step, it's pretty easy. Also, as you see here, I got my rules. So anytime someone joins, they're like, I didn't see the rules. Like, bro, the rules are right below the welcome. If you didn't see the rules, how did you see the welcome, you blind boy? So yeah. Also good tip here. Make sure you get bots from what's it called? Official websites like top.gg. Make sure you don't get them from like weird sites, because if you do, it's gonna do more harm than good to your Discord. So it's gonna you're gonna be killing your Discord with like a shady bot that's gonna be giving you like anime girls. That's pretty weird, dog. But why are you doing that? Hold up. Like, bro, my friend has that type of bot, and it's like, bro, why? Okay, let's get into that outro now. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Make sure to also follow me on Twitch. I stream on Twitch every Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Come pop in there. If you guys need any help in your Discords, I'm usually in there helping, being positive. You already know that'll be linked down in the description below. Make sure to join the Discord. We're starting a new challenge in October. If you guys want to come help out with that, that'll also be linked down in the description below. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. I tweet pretty funny stuff. My latest tweet I cried in, so that was pretty funny. That'll be linked down in the description below. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Hope I helped you with your Discord problems. If I didn't, make sure to leave a comment of what you still want help with in your Discords, and I'll make sure to make a video about it. And peace out, boys.